Can you believe that we are already at the start of a new year? Where did 2022 go? In any case, I hope you had a wonderful year. 2022 was filled with many highs, lows, twists, and turns. If you recall, we started the year off with COVID restrictions. However, when those restrictions were lifted in February, the department went into high gear, providing services and contributing to many outreach events. The Madera County Department of Social Services was here to fulfill its mission to serve the needs of the most vulnerable residents of our community in 2022. This happened because of you. The tremendous dedication of our staff to enhance the overall well-being and to help meet the basic and complex needs of our community is what made 2022 a successful year for the Department of Social Services. Let's take a look back at the most memorable moments of last year and see what we have achieved together. The department has participated in numerous awareness events this past year. We joined the community in the Red Sand Project. This was an art installation that encouraged people to raise awareness of human trafficking by pouring red sand into the cracks of roads and sidewalks to symbolize the way people are vulnerable to exploitation. The department also participated in the Pinwheels for Prevention campaign that raised awareness for child abuse prevention and attended the Child Abuse Prevention Fair at Rotary Park. The biggest event was the Family Fun and Wellness Festival at James Monroe Elementary. There were over 30 resource booths, games, face painting, and even a magician. DSS purchased 450 meals for attendees, which was exhausted within the first hour. DSS invited resource families to attend the first face-to-face support group meeting since the start of the COVID pandemic. The resource family approval staff met and greeted families. Director Deborah Martinez and Deputy Director Danny Morris welcomed families and gave inspirational encouragement, as well as training on such topics as quality parenting initiative and independent living skills. The Board of Supervisors proclaimed November as Adoptions Month at the November meeting, with our CW staff adoptions team joining in the call for more families to open their hearts and homes to foster children in Madera County. There was a zoo safari-themed celebration to recognize our adoptive families in our community. During the past year, our CWS adoptions team finalized adoptions for 20 foster youth in Madera County. In addition, there are currently 4 youth pending adoption and 12 others moving through the adoption process. Ending homelessness is a big challenge. In 2022, the department established programs and services that had an impact in helping people off the streets. The Employment Services Housing Unit joined a number of dignitaries, including state and local politicians, project developers, and a host of partners and supporters in a ribbon-cutting ceremony for Sugar Pine Village, a new affordable housing complex in the city of Madera. The department also entered into an agreement with the Madera Rescue Mission to provide a bed for clients experiencing homelessness while recovering from a medical affliction. Clients can stay in either the Women's or the Men's Respite Center on the Madera Rescue Mission grounds and be provided meals, laundry, and case management services. We received a report sent out by the California Department of Social Services in March showing statewide data on CalFresh applications. This data showed the likelihood that households who apply for CalFresh receive eligibility determinations within the mandated state and federal timeframes. Our team of clerical and eligibility staff who registered and processed these applications did an awesome job to ensure that Madera County residents receive timely services. Congratulations to our eligibility and clerical staff who surpassed the statewide average for processing timely applications for CalFresh the entire year. DSS partnered with AverHealth Fresno to provide drug testing services for CWS parents. Drug testing helps social workers with determining appropriate therapeutic interventions and individualized case plans to increase the likelihood of successful family reunifications. Before the partnership, clients had to drive to Fresno to access drug testing services with AverHealth. Now, AverHealth is occupying the office and utilizing the restroom in Building C on the DSS Sunrise campus. The department had a presence at the Walk the Trails Days. Staff from Resource Family Approval participated in an event sponsored by the City of Madera to encourage residents towards healthy lifestyles. The Walk the Trails Days event inaugurated new exercise equipment along the trail that runs east-west across town along the Fresno River. Other DSS milestones include increasing our presence on social media by unveiling a new Facebook page. This will be used as another opportunity for sharing information to the public and community outreach. The Adult Services Division opened a clothes closet for elders and dependent adults, including those who are homeless. DSS staff raised awareness for domestic violence by wearing purple on October 20th. DSS staff raised over $3,000 for the American Heart Association and raised awareness about the benefits of walking on mental health by participating in the Central Valley Heart and Stroke Walk at Tesoro Viejo. The Employment Services Division assisted the community by hosting a business resource fair where community partners shared resources and benefits with local small businesses. For Halloween, DSS staff handed out treats at the Boo-tastic Trunk or Treat at Madera Fairgrounds. Employment Services also collected and delivered food boxes to 23 families for Thanksgiving. Congratulations to the new staff that joined the DSS team and to the DSS staff that promoted in 2022. "2022 was a remarkable year for the Department of Social Services, not only for our team, but also for the incredible community partners that helped us serve the residents of Madera County. Thank you for making our favorite moments from this year possible and for being a part of our department's dedicated team." The premiere of our podcast, Inside Track, was on March 1st. 2022 was our first year on the podcast, and we look forward to 2023. As always, if you have any questions about today's episode, or if you have suggestions for future episodes, you can direct those to the DSS Media Studio mailbox. Tune in next month for another episode of Inside Track for the DSS Media team. I'm Ashley Monk. Thank you for watching.